Hello, I'm Maria from Kenwood. I'd like to show you the features and benefits of the Chef Titanium Baker XL. This machine comes with 4 bowl tools. It's really invaluable to have 2 bowls. The first one, when you've mixed your cake, the second one could be mixing your buttercream. One of the unique features of this machine is it has easy weigh scales. That's integrated scales, which allow you to weigh directly into the bowl. Let me show you how that works. To switch on, just press the on button. And now you can add your flour. You'll notice the scales increase as I add the ingredients. You can also zero and add additional ingredients. For example, you can add in sugar. It's easy to weigh on the light lift head. Just close the lift head, put a container on the top, zero the scales and add your ingredients. Once again, the scale increases to show your addition. When you turn the mixer on, the timer function immediately starts. The speed control is located at the front of the machine just here. There's 10 speeds, minimum to maximum, including a fold and a pulse function. The fold function is to add light ingredients to a heavy mix. There are 2 speed outlets for you to add an optional 25 attachments to this machine. This is the fast speed outlet, and this is the slow speed outlet. And an extra feature is you can change the colour of this pop top. You just release the catch here. There are 8 different colours available. You can also access the Kenwood World App, which gives you 100+ recipes designed for all of our Kenwood mixers. This Kenwood Chef Titanium Baker XL will make an excellent addition to your kitchen.